What's up, what's up, what's up? It's our birthday! Happy birthday! To you, maligayang
Kinanta ang sarili.
So, nasa Tagaytay tayo today, right? And...
Ay, Tagaytay ba to?
Ay, Tagaytay pala tayo!
Tayo ni.
Breakfast time!
Breakfast in car.
Breakfast in car!
Walang babaan. Road trip lang.
Road trip lang, so walang liguan.
Car trip to.
Car trip ba? Guys, so I just got home, or we just got home actually. It's my birthday! And a distance. I'm gonna open the gifts, I think. And yeah, guys, sorry, I haven't honestly vlogging for the past few weeks, like 1 to 2 weeks na rin yata, because I just really have a lot of deadlines and work to do. Responsibilities first, work first, diba? Before anything else. But yeah, today is my birthday. Yesterday, nag-celebrate na kami with friends kasi lagi ko siyang kasabay mag-birthday. And there are two things that I want to do. Actually, there's actually only one thing that I want to do on my birthday. That is to rest. Pero, expected ko na hindi ako makapag-rest because there's a lot of work talaga lately. Medyo bumabawi pa kami from summer of Japan. So, dahil talaga, dahil summer sa Japan or kakatapos ng summer, hindi pa kami makakabawi. So, the problem with it is, of course, wala akong pahinga on my birthday. Yung birthday leave ko, guys, sa October pa. So ngayon, I'll be opening some of our gifts. Parang ngayon ko dun sa malaki kagad. Doon tayo sa iba. Gifts. Okay, number 1 is bag. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I love it. Mahilig ako sa mga ganitong bag. Like, maliit lang, accessible, and yeah, madaling bitbitin kasi ayoko ng I don't want ng etche-bolecheng bag na parang mahirap siyang bitbitin. Kaya nga siya naging bag para maging convenient to you tapos mahirap siyang buhatin. That's my ugali, honestly.
Okay.
And then, here's the second gift. Woo! Bag again. Shucks, we'll be having a lot of bags. OMG! You know what, guys? This bag. Ha! This is not a bag! I think this is for the car. Like, lalagyan siya, I think, sa car. Something like that. I think this is for my car. I'm happy. Grabe. There's a lot of, ano naman. Oh, bag again. I think you know this bag na already. So, sige, open to na rin para sa inyo, guys. Yan. Ooh, organizer! It's a black and, yeah, white. Oh my gulay, my dog is outside. Check this out, guys. Kuro means black in Japanese. Pag tinawag ko yan at sinabi ko saan siya pupunta, tingnan nyo. Kuro! Where are you going, Kuro? Oh, di ba? Mabalik siya kagad sa bahay. Pasok siya eh. So, my dog already knows. So, kahit open yung gate namin and all, and yeah, lumabas siya. Oops! May tuwiting sa akin yung amo ko, ganyan. So, yeah, daw hindi naman siya masyadong lumalayo, dyan lang siya. Tapos, pagka tinawag na namin siyang Kuro, babalik na yan. Kuro means black, okay, in Japanese. Kaya, yun yung pinangalan ko sa kanya. Dahil recently, I've been loving black talaga. And that's the reason why yun yung nilagay ko na background din also on my room there. Pero, I think after I have learned something from my interior design class, medyo gusto ko siyang baguhin. Medyo hindi pala ganyan yung gusto ko talaga. Kasi medyo may natutunan ako something there about colors. And yeah, this is an organizer, right? Cool. I need this. But first, kailangan ko muna paayos tong cabinet na to. This is the first thing. And later, pupunta yung gagawa nito if ever man. So, hopefully, by September or October, matapos yung room natin if ever man. Or like, kahit may progress tayo, lalo na sa cabinet. Kasi, need ko talaga ng storage. That's really one thing that I want na ayusin dito sa kwarto ko. We have here, what is this? Oh my gosh! I know this! OA. Huwag tayong OA. Ang OA ko. Wait lang. Right. It is. It is. It is what it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so perfect. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you, Nina. You know what? I love traveling. I super love traveling. You don't know how much I love traveling, lalo na kapag solo. So, my ninang bought me this one. Oh, it's a Philippine. Then, i-scratch mo kung saan ka na nakapunta. And honestly, isa sa mga goals ko talaga is libutin ang buong Pilipinas. Okay?
Okay.
Not to only travel outside the Philippines, but also to travel all over the Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I've been planning actually na mag-car lang buong Luzon. Like, I would have time talaga to just go around buong Luzon. Parang ganun. So, yun yung unahin ko maybe. But as of now, medyo mahirap siya. But hopefully, di ba? Hopefully talaga magawa natin yan in the future. I'm approaching late 20s and I guess it's my time na rin talaga to actually do things for, I think for myself na din, for my growth, I think. Kasi all this time, though nag-grow din naman ako, it's just that I've been thinking about my family more than myself. Parang ganun. I mean, in all things that I do. Pero ngayon, natutunan ko na maybe this time ko naman na gawin yung mga bagay na ano na nga ba talaga yung mga gusto ko. Kasi mostly every time na gumagastos ako, guys. And that's the reason why hindi rin ako masyado magastos sa sarili ko, lalo na yung sa mga pampaganda, ganyan and all. Kasi focus talaga ako sa goal ko. Focus ako na maging stable ako enough for my family or for my mga kapatid para in the near future, they would have a choice what they want in their life. Para naman masupport ko din sina mami. Okay, next one is this one. Tadaan! What is this? Parang baul. Oh! Okay, this is an organizer. Another organizer again. And yeah, and it's a black. They know that I don't want anything na mga gamit ko than black. So, yeah. But, iba yung kulay ng kwarto ko. It's just, I mean, somehow. And the theme of it. Pero yung mga gamit, gusto ko pa rin mga black. Ganyan. So, that's the main reason I'm on black. And even kahapon, naka-black ako. Yung panda ko lang, medyo iba. But yeah, I was all black today also. Na pinatungan ko lang ng jacket. So, organizer din. Soon. Yeah. Isasama ko din kayo, guys, if ever, na mag-organize tayo ng mga things natin, if ever. And, yeah, we're approaching adulting na rin talaga ng, I mean, so much na sobra-sobra din talaga. So, kailangan na natin mag-ayos, kailangan ko na rin mag-practice na ayusin yung mga sarili kong gamit at, the decisions in the house, in the condo, ganyan. Lahat ng yan, parang I think, eto na yung time para i-apply ko na siya, yung mga natutunan ko for the past few years that I've been with my mom, I've been with my lola at lola, ganyan. Dati, kasama ko lang si mami na mag-check ng pagrerenta namin sa Japan, ganyan. And then, I would always say to my mom na kuhanin namin yung mura kasi ang goal namin palagi is makuha ni mga brothers ko from the Philippines. As in, kaya kong magtiis. I'm ready to really sacrifice. Kahit yung CR namin is yung sa baba. Alam mo yung parang, hindi siya yung bowl na uupuan mo. Yung nirarentahan namin dati na may CR kaming, like sa sahig pa siya. Tapos pagpupupo ka, like mag-squat ka talaga. Sige, maglalagay ako ng ganito, ng picture dito. Ganyan yung CR namin before. And mostly yung mga traditional CR in Japan is like that. Mura kasi siya, traditional siya, so ibig sabihin luma din na din yung bahay. Sobrang mura noon nung apartment namin yon sa Japan. So 3 lapad lang yata yun, or like more than siguro 3 lapad is like 15,000. It's mababa na when it comes to Japan. Pero dito syempre medyo mahal yon sa iba pa. Pero kung i-compare mo sa sahod sa Japan, syempre mura na yon. So, ganun ako. I'm more of a practical person. I'm more of a matiising tao. I'm more of that kind of person na magtitipid hanggat kaya magtipid. Hanggang, alam mo yun, fake it until you make it. Ganun talaga siya. You need to really be practical. Hanggang sa makaluwag ka, hanggang sa hindi ka na mag-guilty, nagagastos ka para sa sarili mo. Hindi ka na mag-guilty na papaganda ka, hindi ka mag-guilty na bibili ka na ng mga clothes ng marami on Shopee, on Lazada, and all these things na kahit mamahalin din ng mga branded things din. Parang it's just like, I don't like buying things na nakaka-guilty kasi you have things that you need to actually prioritize first. Your needs, your incomes, your multiple incomes, you know, for me talaga hindi sapat na meron ka lang bahay at kotse. It's more than that. Ang kailangan natin palaguin is yung income natin, yung flow ng money natin. And it's not the properties, and it's not the things that we have, ganyan. It's paano umiikot ang pera sa'yo, ganyan. So, if you have built ng multiple incomes from multiple things, I think yun yung mas importante kesa sa makabili ka ng mga bagay-bagay na gusto mo lang. Kasi once na meron ka ng mga multiple incomes, girl, I mean, the freedom of having the things that you just want to buy anytime and anything is just so good. But then kasi dahil din sa discipline na meron ka, mahihirapan ka din actually na mag-adjust na, gusto ko naman, ganyan. Ako, feeling ko dahil nasanay din ako na to be actually disciplined on handling my money, hindi rin ako basta-basta bumibili. Or hindi rin ako basta-basta naglalabas ng pera. I am very, very careful on that. But then, I would say na mas pinagbibigyan ko na yung sarili ko ngayon kaysa dati. Kasi dati, like, grabe, 2% of my sahod lang or, of my kita every month is the only thing na para sa akin. Kasama na dun yung allowance ko. 2%, guys, 2%. Like, for example, 15,000 yung sahod mo, for example. So, 15,000, to 2% mo yun, it would be 300 pesos. And that would be my allowance. And alam mo yun, yung mga wants ko, dun ko na kukunin. Kung meron man. If gusto ko talaga ng wants, mag-extra work ako. Hindi ko yung kukunin sa sahod ko. Kasi yung sahod ko dapat may pupuntahan siya na extra income pa. So, that's one thing that I would like to really share to people who are, alam mo yun, katulad ko din, now that I am officially approaching the late 20s. I think I am more ready of it. Kasi parang feeling ko mas, alam mo yung mas nasuspoil ko na rin yung sarili ko kasi alam ko nang I have multiple incomes na, alam mo yung, I know naman will pa din ni Lord. I know na in one click, God can really, get everything from me and He could actually give me everything if gusto niya din. Alam ko naman will niya pa din yun at the end of the day. It's just that, for me, I guess, nandito na ako din sa part ng buhay ko na pwede ko nang pagbigyan yung sarili ko. Kasi all this time, nagtiis ako. All this time, hindi lang sa naghirap ako nagtiis ako. And now that I'm rewarding myself of all the things. And kahit ito, starting YouTube, venturing the social media, it's a reward for myself, honestly. Doing the things that I love. Dati kasi parang I think wala akong time talaga nun. People have been pushing me to actually start alam mo yun, the YouTube industry and all. Like, marami talagang people who told me to actually start before pa. Pero wala talaga akong time for my YouTube. Or like, ito nga, venturing the social media thingy. Kahit na nagda-dance ako dati, kahit na people person ako, kahit na I am a friendly person, hindi ko kaya mag-start ng something on the social media because I have no time for it. I am focused on my responsibilities. I am focused on kumita and alagaan yung mga kapatid ko, alagaan yung pamilya ko, na I just really can't give myself space, kahit space lang para sa sarili ko. Parang feeling ko, gusto ko rin to, na naspoil ko yung sarili ko, and I'm planning to be like this in the next 10 years. Sure. Parang feeling ko gusto kong bawiin yung childhood ko, yung mga bagay na hindi ko nagawa ng bata ko, yung mga bagay na hindi ko na-enjoy when I was a kid, I was teenager. And parang feeling ko 20 years yun, di ba? Na kailangan ko mag-catch up in the industry, ganyan, on the things that I want to do, like, on my dreams, ganyan. So, wala lang. So, it's okay. I mean, I'm enjoying my life, and I'm really so happy with it. So, yeah, yun lang. I'm gonna sleep lang muna kasi I have no sleep, honestly. Nag-celebrate kami kahapon. This one, nag-budol fight kami. That's one of the things na hiningi ko na lang kasi hindi nga ako makakapag-rest. Since yun nga yung gusto ko mag-rest. But dahil hindi, gusto ko mag-budol fight. Number 1, with my family. Pangalawa, gusto ko mag-sunrise. There, on my birthday, of course. So, yeah, natupad naman siya. And I'm happy. That's it, guys! Yeah, happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
Ane!
Yay!
Madaling picture! Alright guys, so because it's our birthday, I'll be giving away sa inyo again. And this time, I'll be giving away hindi lang dahil sa birthday ko because sakto na kagabi, nag 10k followers na tayo on IG. Woo! Yes, magawa ng sariling sound. Alright, so 10k followers na tayo at pang 140, could you see that? 143 na yung post natin sa IG. It's like, I love you, right? So, it's say, I love you. So, I am thinking na I'll be giving away 300 pesos to 10 people kasi 10,000 na nga yung followers natin on IG. Ayun, so dahil pa-birthday ko na rin to everyone if ever. Alam ko maliit lang to guys, sorry na, maliit lang to pero I know that it could actually help other people also and to the followers din na meron tayo. So, ayun, pa-ano ka lang siya, pa-thank you lang talaga sa inyo and kay Lord then with all the things that happening sa buhay natin. Talagang patuloy niya tayong iniingatan. So, magkapag-giveaway tayo. So, 10 people to guys. The only thing that you need to do is number one is follow all of my social media accounts. TikTok, FB page, IG, and here on YouTube, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then, the second one, there's actually 2 lang na kailangan yung gawin. The second one is i-comment nyo yung birthday nyo dito sa video na to. Kindly comment your birthday. Kahit day lang, wag na yung year. Day lang. Kunyari, March 18, ganyan. Tapos siguro kwento nyo lang kung yung pinaka-memorable nyong birthday siguro. And for me, ang gagawin ko, kung sino yung mananalo, I'll be picking 3 people na sobrang tumatak siguro sa utak ko yung mga answers nila, ganyan, or yung mga nakikita ko usually na nagla-like sa IG ko or sa mga TikTok ko, ganyan. So, titingin ako doon ng 3 people, okay? Para naman may mapili tayo na from my heart talaga. And then, the 7 people is i-raffle na natin, okay? I mean, i-shuffle natin and then we will check kung sino yung mananalo sa comments. So, bahala kayo. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat for watching this video. Can you subscribe and yeah, like and comment. Yan, comment kayo. So, salin na kayo with our raffle. Sobrang maliit lang to pero mahal ko kayo guys. Ashteriyo minasan! Janet! Bye-bye!